Well, good evening, everyone. On behalf of Louisiana State University and the LSU Health Sciences Center in Shreveport, I'm G.E. Golly, the Chancellor, and I am happy to welcome all of the graduates, family, friends, and loved ones that have joined us here today in this first and hopefully last virtual graduation. First of all, I want to say that I know that you've all gone through a tremendous disappointment associated with not being able to experience the medical school graduation that you dreamed of and have worked so hard to achieve all these years in person. But at the end of the day, I think we all realize how important and what is important during this unprecedented public health crisis, public health emergency. And that is trying to help in any way that we can. And each of you have certainly helped. For each of you, that is by stepping into a new role during this most vital time. Many of you stepped right in and graduated early and got moving and got things in order and helped your loved ones and helped the fellow citizens, not just in Louisiana, but around the country. And for that, I thank you, and the entire faculty thank you. At some point in the future, there will be a day when you can tell your children and grandchildren about the day you graduated from medical school early, because there was hopefully the viral pandemic of the 21st century. And hopefully we don't have another one. On behalf of all the graduates, I just want to thank those individuals who offered guidance, inspiration, and support over the careers of these students. Each of you has played an integral role in shaping the success of these 124 students. They could not have done it without you. And to the School of Medicine's class of 2020, congratulations. As I've said many times, there are very few days in your life that you will always remember, and today is certainly one of those days. You have worked very, very hard for many years to reach this milestone. You have grown professionally and personally during your time here at the LSU Health Sciences Center. You have not only earned your degrees, you have forged friendships that will last a lifetime. Like the members of the classes going before you, this class of 2020 has received outstanding training. I want to thank Dean Lewis, Provost Eggerstadt, and all of the associate deans, and especially each basic science and clinical faculty member here at the LSU Health Sciences Center that were intimately involved in the education, training, and support of this class of 2020. I would now like to take the liberty of introducing a few of the individuals on the dais. Dr. David Lewis, the Dean of the School of Medicine, Dr. Jane Eggerstadt, Provost of the LSU Health Sciences Center, Dr. Peggy Murphy, Director of Student Affairs, Dr. Debbie Chandler, Associate Dean of Diversity and Student Affairs, Dr. Jennifer Warner, Associate Dean of Academic Affairs, Dr. Christy Renato, Director for Academic Affairs, Dr. Mark Platt, who I believe is going to call your names out, and he's no longer in the role of Associate Dean as he was before, but I have the liberty of pulling him back in for a day as Associate Dean. And I know that the class of 2020 loves Dr. Platt and will love to have him involved in this ceremony. I would also at this time like to introduce Mr. Tom Galligan, who is the interim president of Louisiana State University, who really is honored to be able to give a video welcome and a video congratulations to this very special class of 2020.
And congratulations to our amazing LSU Health Sciences Center Shreveport graduates. I'm LSU Interim President Tom Galligan, and it's my great pleasure and privilege to celebrate this important milestone with you. Simply put, your class, the class of 2020, is unlike any that has come before it, ever. When our state began being impacted by the coronavirus epidemic during your final semester of study, your class immediately stepped up and stepped up early to serve your community. Your incredible efforts, resiliency, and perseverance have inspired the Shreveport community and our entire LSU family. I cannot commend you or thank you enough for the admirable way in which you have represented our great university. I have every confidence that your passion to care for those in need and the lessons and unique experiences you are taking with you from the Health Sciences Center will prepare you for successful and rewarding careers, and that you will improve and save countless lives through your work. Today is your day to celebrate all you have accomplished throughout your time at the Health Sciences Center and during this most challenging spring semester. Regardless of where your talents take you from here, you will forever be a valued member of the LSU family. I am incredibly proud of you. I wish you the very best in your professional and personal lives, and I thank you for your contributions to the Health Sciences Center and our community. Congratulations again on your incredible academic achievement. Enjoy this day and this incredible moment in your lives. You have earned it.
We now want to introduce Chi Win, president of the class of 2020, who will deliver some words to and from the class at this graduation ceremony.
Good afternoon, everyone. Can everyone hear me? So I'll just go ahead and start off. I'll start off by sharing that whenever our class was told that our graduation was canceled, I thought I'd dodge having to say this class speech I've dreaded for quite some time now. Because as most of you may or may not know, I'm born and raised from the same town as LSU's Coach O. So I'm definitely not the most eloquent speaker, to say the least. So for your sake and for mine, I'll keep this relatively short and sweet. Let me first start off by welcoming everyone who has virtually gathered here today. I know that this in no way can take the place of the traditional cap and gown, walking across the stage, commencement ceremony we've all looked forward to. But with everything going on in the world right now, I hope this compels you all to just take a few moments, either now or later on today, to reflect on what this moment really means and to appreciate it for the achievement that it is. And when you all are reflecting and looking back on your journey through medical school, I hope you're reminded of all the sacrifices you've made, all those late nights and early mornings, and just all the time and energy you've put forth in your studies or your patients on your wards. Because I think it's those moments that will allow you to recognize the resilient, intelligent, and absolutely incredible physicians you've all become. And with that being said, on behalf of my classmates and now physician colleagues, I'd like to thank everyone who has helped get us to this point. Thank you to our parents, siblings, significant others, and dear friends for your love and endless support as we followed our dreams. And thank you to professors, faculty, and administration for your guidance and mentorship throughout medical school. Class of 2020, thank you for choosing me to serve as your class president these last 4 years. It's a complete honor and privilege to have gotten the chance to get to know and learn alongside each and every one of you. I'm so excited for the world to witness the positive impact that I know you all will make on people's lives in the field of medicine. I'm sorry. Okay. And I know that we all are entering the workforce in a particularly difficult time in healthcare and in the world. But amongst all the chaos, long nights, and responsibility that's to come in these next few years of residency, I hope you all remember and find the comfort and momentum in knowing that Dr. Deshay is proud of you. Congratulations, everyone, and go Tigers.
Honor and privilege to read out each of the graduates' names. You may have, since you graduated early in April, there may be people around that called you doctor, but this is your official ceremonial naming as a physician in the reading out of the names at graduation. I'll start again. Dr. Timothy Joseph Banks. Dr. Jonathan Austin Berry. Dr. Benjamin Lee Blanchard. Dr. Blake William Boudreau. Dr. James Carson Bourgeois. Dr. Lauren Elizabeth Bradley. Dr. Grant Michael Breland. Dr. Andrew Charles Broussard. Dr. Lauren Elise Broussard. Dr. Andrea Lemus Brumley. Dr. Daniel Quang Bowie. Dr. Madison Lee Burris. Dr. Cade John Burns. Dr. Corinne Maria Caballero. Dr. Michael John Kerr. Dr. James Landon Caldwell. Dr. Matthew James Callahan. Dr. Jessica N. Cameron. Dr. Raquel Elizabeth Candle. Dr. Christopher Austin Casey. Dr. Jacob Michael Clement. Dr. Patrick Ryan Connor. Dr. Lauren Claire Cooper. Dr. Daniel Edward Kaur. Dr. Cole Shane Craighead. Dr. Caitlin Allison Crane. Dr. Elizabeth Blair Davis. Dr. Stephen Orr Davis. Dr. Fahima Christie Dowie. Dr. Keith Patrick DeLawn. Dr. Lamia Mustafa Derzi. Dr. Michael Joseph Donald. Dr. Savannah Ray Ellis. Dr. Caitlin Alexandra Flatman. Dr. Ellen Elizabeth Foster. Dr. Claire Elizabeth Franklin. Dr. Courtney Lynn Gautreau. Dr. Lori Michelle Gentile. Dr. Brantley McLaurin Grimball. Dr. Samuel Richard Guba. Dr. Eleni Marie Gutierrez. Dr. Mohammed Faris Hajmurad. Dr. Danielle Bedgood Handrup. Dr. Amanda Victoria Hardy. Dr. Justin Paul Harrell. Dr. John William Hedgepeth. Dr. Sarah Marie Herbal. Dr. Lindsay R. Herndon. Dr. Samantha Nicole Hurt. Dr. Philip Thomas Holly. Dr. Ross Connor Holston. Dr. Ibrahim Nasser Ibrahim. Dr. Jessica Amber Johnson. Dr. Andrea Denise Juno. Dr. Mackenzie Alexandra Kay, Dr. Taylor Renee Lahaski, Dr. Garrett True Lambert, Dr. Mark Andrew Landry, Dr. Brittany Marie Lanou, Dr. Dustin Richard Latimer, Dr. Heather Jo LeBlanc, Dr. Tyler Gerard Leboeuf, Dr. Anna Elizabeth Lepkowski, Dr. Elena Claire Lofaso, Dr. Emily Helen Mann, Dr. Ahmed Ismail Masri, Dr. Christopher Andrew McCullough, Dr. Andrew Millett McGee, Dr. Amber Victoria McKenna,
Yay!
Dr. Justin Wayne McMillan, Dr. Sarah McCann McNeil, Dr. Elise Marie Moe, Dr. Corey Allen Melanson, Dr. Madison Taylor Meyer, Dr. Katie Elizabeth Marie Moreau, Dr. Rebecca Ariel Morrissey, Dr. Yumna Elena Mufaraj, Dr. Aya Muhafel, Dr. Ahed Musarat, Dr. Nicole D. Namor, Dr. Chi Mi Win, Dr. Caitlin Nicole Orschel, Dr. Charles E. Paget Jr., Dr. Alan Thomas Parr III, Dr. Anna Lee Parciola, Dr. Herni Yatan Patel, Dr. Sigar Ramesh Patel, Dr. Victoria Susan Patton, Dr. Tina Chow Lien Fan, Dr. Allison Marie Pinner, Dr. Destiny Janelle Price, Dr. Tiara Latrice Range, Dr. Sabrina Dawn Reed, Dr. Lindy Rebecca Robichaud Edwards, Dr. Darius Joseph Robinson, Dr. Mitchell Lee Rodeheaver, Dr. Logan Renee Brown Roca, Dr. Brent Christopher Ruiz, Dr. Gabriel Gerard Sampanero, Dr. Gabrielle Simone Sanford, Dr. Daniel Mark Caesar, Dr. Indrajit Sebi, Dr. Pooja Salish Shah, Dr. John Logan Sobiesk, Dr. Monique Renisha Spears, Dr. Patrick Joseph St. Martin, Dr. Malia Lynn Tarpley, Dr. Britton Cecilia Thibodeau, Dr. Rithika Marumagan Thuramal, Dr. Colette Maria Tilley, Dr. Brandon Michael Toy, Dr. Lexus Lee Trusclair, Dr. Robert Sean Ross Tyler, Dr. Jacqueline Ann Van Giem, Dr. Madeline Renee Watkins, Dr. Madhushani I. Wijayathunga, Dr. Brooke Paland Wilmore, Dr. Travis Hammett Wilmore, Dr. Breland Diane Whitty, Dr. Morgan Elise Wright, Dr. Peter Calvin Brzezinski, Dr. Anna Catherine Yates, Dr. Nicholas Abraham Zonbrecker, Dr. Peter Wei Zhang. Congratulations, class of 2020.
Okay, I'm going to ask the graduates to unmute their mic and repeat after me. I have broken this up a little bit, so it's a little bit better.
Yeah. Yeah.
I do solemnly swear,
That sounds great.
which I hold most sacred,
Can people hear me on the big screen? On the big screen?
They can talk, like whoever's making the sound.
solemnly swear by that which I hold most sacred.
Only swear.
I'm gonna keep going. Will be loyal to the profession of medicine and just and that I will lead my life and practice my art in uprightness
I
and
will live my
honor.
life and practice my art. Right.
That into whatever house I will enter, it shall be for the good of the sick to the utmost of my power.
Shall be for the good of the. I can't understand him. This is what y'all don't understand.
Y'all didn't
Holding myself aloof from wrong,
holding myself aloof from wrong.
Aloof
from
from
corruption, from the tempting of others to vice,
and accepting of others to vice. Changed it.
I will exercise my art for the cure of my patient.
I will exercise
solely for the cure of my patient.
And will give no drug or no operation for criminal purpose, even if solicited or less suggested.
I will
Will give no drug, perform no operation for a criminal purpose, even if solicited or less suggested.
That whatsoever I shall see or hear of the lives of men,
That whatsoever
Whatsoever I shall see or hear in the lives of men,
which is not fitting to be spoken, I will keep secret.
which is not fitting to be spoken, I will keep inviolably secret.
Do I promise?
These things do I promise.
And in proportion as I am faithful to my oath, my happiness and good repute ever mine.
In proportion as I am faithful to my oath, my happiness and good repute be ever in mine.
In the opposite, if I shall be forsworn.
In the
Opposite.
I shall be forsworn.
Congratulations, doctors, and
There we go.
health in Shreveport.
All right. Congratulations, doctor. I'm really proud of you. I tell you, this may be a virtual graduation prize. I do, before I give just a couple of minutes of closing thoughts, I want to thank from the Student Affairs, Laura, for helping put this together, and the IT and media folks, Jim, Lisa, and Ryan. It didn't go perfectly, but these things aren't supposed to go perfectly because we don't want to do these virtual things in perpetuity. Hopefully, this is the last time we have to do a virtual one. But as a chancellor, really, there is no better day than graduation day. This is why we have chosen this path, to not only care for the patients who need our help, but to be able to to mentor and teach those who will one day rightfully take our place. Graduates, you've now become part of a very proud tradition that began with our first graduation nearly a half a century ago, a special bond that is Louisiana State University. I know that you will represent LSU with distinction. We hope to see you all back here in the near future with your own stories of successful and fulfilling careers and lives. And believe me, that day will get here sooner than you think. Meanwhile, the best advice that I can give you, if I can give you any advice, is to love what you do. Like the very first day that I lectured to you guys 4+ years ago in anatomy, I said, choose something that you love to do. And by the disciplines that you guys chose there, I am so proud. The dean, the provost, all the associate deans are so proud of you guys. I cannot tell you how proud we are that you represent our health science center, our school of medicine, across the state, the region, and the nation. Throughout your career, you will encounter many teachers, not the least of which will be the very patients that you care for. Take care of those patients. Take advantage of the opportunities to be all you can be in every aspect of your life. God bless you, and we love you. Thank you. Congratulations. All right.
Woo, go class.
Yeah, who wants to stay on and hang out?
Woo!
See y'all later.
Cheers, guys.
Congratulations, Blake. Congratulations.
Sorry for not knowing those.
Congratulations, Justin. Yeah, right here.
Doing this.
I love you. Gee, you killed it. Cheers. Buddy.
Cheers, y'all.
Andrew McGee.
Nice. I
Yay, Andrew.
Get it, Andrew?
Are we staying on for?
Let's just have an online party afterwards.
Way to go, Dr. McGee. Woo! Get it, bro.
That's Brandon. A toast to class of 2020.
20 graduation, best thing ever.
I see you, Fahima.
Finish a minute, best part.